Wow, we finally got that right. But this is the Cadillac that came in, and it's just got a lot of dirt and dusty. It's one of my he's in the maintenance program, and I'm in the process. I like brighter lights, but I have nice lights, but I want brighter lights. But when you're starting, you gotta walk before you run. So, but this is the Cadillac, and I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be working with a Meguiar's Carnubrous base wash, Meguiar's Carnubrous wax, wash and wax. I'm sorry, I apologize, it's early. And Meguiar's detail spray. I did a 1 ounce of Meguiar's wash and 2 ounces of detail spray. Okay, we're gonna